Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 23rd September 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Securitize, a leader in tokenizing real-world assets, has partnered with Wormhole to enhance interoperability for its tokenized assets. This collaboration aims to improve liquidity and accessibility by enabling seamless movement across various blockchain ecosystems. Securitize works with top asset managers like BlackRock and KKR, and this integration will allow asset issuers to manage and transfer their assets more flexibly. Wormhole's secure platform is set to unlock access to a broader range of digital asset ecosystems, marking a significant step towards a multi-chain future. Jump Crypto has launched its Frankendancer validator client on Solana's mainnet, a move that promises to boost the network's performance. This client combines existing technology with new innovations from Jump, setting the stage for the upcoming Frankendancer software. Announced at Solana's Breakpoint conference, this development underscores the importance of having multiple independent validators to enhance redundancy and performance. Frankendancer, currently on testnet, is expected to significantly upgrade Solana's capabilities, akin to turning a country road into an interstate highway. EigenLayer has unveiled a research piece titled Intelligent DeFi, exploring the integration of autonomous value systems with decentralized finance. The research proposes solutions to DeFi challenges, such as a leaderless auction system for redistributing miner extractable value and an advanced margin system for decentralized exchanges. It also suggests personalized loan assessments and a compliant privacy mixer. EigenLayer invites developers to collaborate on building these innovative solutions, aiming to create a more efficient DeFi ecosystem. Token 2049 in Singapore was a hub of activity with over 600 side events, highlighting the fragmentation in the crypto space. Solana stood out with a strong community presence, while Ethereum faced challenges in defining its identity. The event sparked interest in alternative Layer 1 solutions like Monad and Bera Chain, known for their higher transaction speeds. Many struggling L1s and Layer 2s are pivoting to B2B tech providers, focusing on practical applications over infrastructure. Aave is gaining traction as a DeFi leader, while institutional funds remain cautious about meme coins and Web3 gaming. Moody's Ratings has released a report on the potential of the decentralized physical infrastructure network, DePIN sector. The report highlights DePIN's ability to enhance scalability and innovation in existing networks, though it faces regulatory challenges. DePIN could lower operational costs and optimize resources for industries like telecommunications and utilities. The report cites Helium as a successful example, with its decentralized wireless network attracting significant participation. Moody's emphasizes the need for industries to reassess infrastructure strategies amid digital transformation, with venture capital investments in DePIN reaching new heights. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the evolving world of blockchain and cryptocurrency informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and analysis. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the crypto universe.